Learn the ancient sieve of Eratosthenes method used by Greek mathematician Eratosthenes to find prime numbers up to 1000, and see how it still works today with a digital twist. The sieve of Eratosthenes is an ancient algorithm for finding all prime numbers up to a given number, called the limit. Greek mathematician Eratosthenes created this method around 240 BCE, making it one of the oldest known prime number sieves. The sieve works by iteratively marking as composite the multiples of each prime number as it is encountered. Eratosthenes used his sieve to find all prime numbers up to 1000, a remarkable achievement for his time. Today, the sieve of Eratosthenes remains one of the most efficient ways to find prime numbers, even with modern computers. Revisit Paul Pogba's 15-minute hat-trick for Manchester United against Fenerbahçe in the 2016 Europa League, a showcase of his attacking flair. Paul Pogba's hat-trick against Fenerbahçe was the fastest in Manchester United's European history. Pogba scored his 3 goals in just 15 minutes, a blistering pace that stunned the opposition. The match was played on the 3rd of November 2016 at Old Trafford in the Europa League group stage. Pogba's hat-trick helped Manchester United win the match 4-1, securing a crucial 3 points. This was Pogba's first hat-trick for Manchester United, and it showcased his attacking flair and skill. Pogba's incredible performance earned him the Europa League Player of the Week award. The story of the infamous BCG vaccine trial in 1,930 seconds, where 300 children were given a faulty tuberculosis vaccine, leading to 73 deaths. In 1935, a BCG vaccine trial began in Lübeck, Germany, aiming to immunize against tuberculosis. The trial tragically used a contaminated vaccine, leading to severe infections in many children. Out of 300 children vaccinated, 73 died, and many more suffered from TB or its severe forms. The disaster led to major reforms in vaccine testing and safety protocols globally. Scientists learned the critical importance of vaccine validation and sterilization techniques. The Lübeck trial remains a pivotal, cautionary tale in medical history, shaping modern vaccine development. Learn about the legendary DJ and founder of the Zulu Nation, Afrika Bambaataa, who united gangs and promoted peace through hip-hop culture in the 1970 seconds Bronx. Afrika Bambaataa, a DJ from the Bronx, founded the Zulu Nation in the 1970 seconds. He united rival gangs through hip-hop, promoting peace and self-expression. The Zulu Nation's parties, featuring DJing and breakdancing, became legendary. Bambaataa coined the term hip-hop to describe the culture he helped create. The Zulu Nation's message of unity and non-violence inspired a generation. Today, the Zulu Nation has chapters in over 20 countries, spreading its positive influence. Explore the beautiful island nation of Nauru, which has no airport and relies on cargo ships for transportation. What's life like for its 11,000 inhabitants? Nauru, a tiny island nation in the Pacific, has a population of around 11,000 people. It's the world's smallest independent republic, with a total area of just 21.3 square kilometers. Nauru has no airport, making it one of the few countries in the world without a commercial airfield. The island relies heavily on cargo ships for transportation, with a ship arriving every 2 to 3 weeks. Nauru's economy was once booming due to rich phosphate deposits, but reserves are now almost depleted. Today, the island nation faces significant economic and environmental challenges, including rising sea levels. In 2001, energy giant Enron filed for bankruptcy after a massive accounting fraud was exposed, leading to a slew of lawsuits and criminal charges. Enron was founded in 1985 as a natural gas pipeline company in Houston, Texas. By 2000, Enron's stock price had risen to $90.56 per share, making it 7th on the Fortune 500 list. In 2001, Enron's chief financial officer, Andrew Fastow, was revealed to have hidden billions of dollars in debt. The company's auditor, Arthur Anderson, was found to have destroyed thousands of documents related to Enron's accounting. Enron filed for bankruptcy on the 2nd of December 2001, with $38.4 billion in assets and $67.4 billion in debt. Top executives Jeffrey Skilling and Kenneth Lay were convicted of conspiracy and fraud, with Lay dying before sentencing. Joined stamp collector and historian, Dr. The British Guiana 1C Magenta is the world's rarest and most valuable postage stamp. In 1856, a 12-year-old boy in British Guiana received this stamp by mistake, making it a unique error. The British Guiana 1C Magenta was sold at auction in 2017 for a record-breaking $7.9 million. Rare stamps can be worth millions, but condition, rarity, and provenance determine their value. Stamp collecting, or philately, is one of the world's most popular hobbies, with over 5 million enthusiasts. Dr. James Spence has spent decades studying and collecting rare stamps and shares his expertise with collectors worldwide. Experience the ancient Viking festival of Upheli AA, where participants celebrated the end of Yule with torchlight processions, music, and feasting, and learn about the unique traditions of this Norse celebration. Upheli AA is an ancient Viking festival marking the end of Yule in the Shetland Islands. The festival features a torchlight procession led by guisers dressed in Viking costumes and carrying torches. The procession visits various stations where music, singing, and dancing take place with the locals. The festival culminates in the burning of a replica Viking galley, symbolizing the end of winter. Upheli AA is celebrated on the last Tuesday of January every year, dating back to the 19th century. Uncover the story of French physicist Prosper René Blondlot's discovery of N-rays, a supposed form of radiation, and how his claims were later debunked as a result of experimental error. In 1903, French physicist Prosper René Blondlot claimed to have discovered N-rays, a new form of radiation. Blondlot reported that N-rays could be emitted by metals and detected using a specialized photographic plate. The scientific community was initially excited, with many replicating Blondlot's experiments and reporting similar results. However, American physicist Robert W. Wood was skeptical and repeated the experiment, finding no evidence of N-rays. Wood's investigation revealed that Blondlot's results were due to experimental error and confirmation bias.